Manufacturing companies lose valuable time because of manual processes, disconnected systems, and slow approvals. But automation is changing everything. First, Siemens Teamcenter, a leading product lifecycle management platform that connects design, engineering, and production teams, reducing errors and speeding up time to market. Second, Rockwell FactoryTalk. It enables real-time monitoring, performance analytics, and predictive maintenance, helping manufacturers reduce downtime. Third, SAP S for HANA, an advanced ERP system that integrates finance, supply chain, and manufacturing, creating a single source of truth for operations. Fourth, UiPath. It automates repetitive tasks like invoicing, reporting, and data entry, reducing manual effort and improving accuracy. Fifth, PTC ThingWorx, an industrial IoT platform that connects machines and systems, enabling smart factory capabilities and real-time decision-making. Together, these automation technologies are transforming manufacturing, enabling smarter factories and more efficient production worldwide.